Hello guys, welcome back to another things, but for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Logitech G502 not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are a few things that you could try doing here to fix this issue of, in this case, if your Logitech G502 is not working, generally speaking here. So first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to update or reinstall the drivers. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to go to your device manager. So to be speaking, you want to go ahead and just go to your Windows here and just open up device manager. So this is just an example. This is what device manager will look like. So to be speaking, you could just go to your search bar in your Windows and just type in or search for device manager. You should see the same thing. But yeah, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for mice here. So go open it up, and if you do see G502 here, you want to right click on it and just click on the uninstall device option. And from then on, once you've installed that, restart your PC and see if that helps. Now you could also update this by basically right clicking on it, click on update driver here and see if that actually helps. So yeah, that's the first thing that you could try doing here. Now, also, you may want to check if your computer actually detects it. So in this case, you want to press Windows and the X key at the same time. And again, you may want to look at the device manager here and see if you do see Logitech G502 listed. Now, if initially you don't see it, it means that your computer is not basically not really connected to the mice itself. So in this case, you may want to check the UR of your mouse here and see if it's actually broken. So sometimes if there's like bite marks into it, it might prevent it from connecting fully into your PC. That's why you're having that issue. But if that's not the case, there are other things that you could try doing here. So you may want to try using your mouse here on another computer just to rule out that it's not your computer, or it's just to see if it's your actual mouse that's having this problem here. So in this case, connect your G502, a different PC here. Now if it connects and start working, well in this case, your computer might be the problem here. So I would highly suggest you to restart your PC and see if that helps. Now also in your PC or in your original PC here, you may want to test a different USB port here. Sometimes the port itself might be the problem. So if you have a different, another USB port that you connect your mouse here, try using that and see if that helps. And also, you may want to flip your mouse here, so the underside of it. So you want to wipe these sensors here, the area where the sensors are, with a soft, dry cloth. Now, even a tiny bit of dust or debris can interfere with the sensors and make the mouse stop working properly. Now, in this case, again, it might be just dirty, so go ahead and just clean it and see if that helps. And also, you may want to look for any physical damages. Now, if you've using your mouse violently, you're slamming it in your table, you've accidentally it accidentally fell into the ground and off your table, then most likely it might be a hardware problem here. So in this case, you may need to buy a new one. But if you've just recently bought this one, it's not something that you've accidentally fall. It didn't fall from your table into the ground. Well, I would highly suggest you to contact support. So Logitech, in this case, if you are eligible for a replacement depending on when you bought it. So if you just recently bought it, you should be eligible for that. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.